Hi there, this is I'm the Tohidulalam. So now I am going to start a new course on Python programming. This is my first video which based on Python programming. In this video we are going to set up our environment for Python program. Here we need to install application for Python program. One is Python and another is PyCharm, which is IDE. So now we are going to install Python. For this we just type Python on search bar. Now click on the first link, which is redirect you to python.org. This From this download section you can download Python. Here Python 3.83 is available. Just click here, it will download automatically. I just already download, so I just post that download. Now I am going to install PyCharm. Here just type PyCharm download in search bar. Now just click on the first link. Here it will redirect our jetbrains.com. Here two methods are available. One is professional and another is community. In professional you have to pay some, but in community it's free. So now we are going to download it. After clicking here direct link, it will download automatically. So after downloading both apps you need to install it on your computer. After install we just start our first program in the next video. So that's for now.